Hello everybody, my name's Caitlin and welcome to my channel. So today I am in a good mood. So that is a plus. That is good. Today, after my mental breakdown last week, I had a bit of a moment of clarity. That's what I would like to consider it. And I thought, like, hey, why not just DIY? Well, I'm not really DIYing. What would you say? Refurbishing? I don't know the exact terminology for it, but I got this jacket that I never wear. So I figured, I was like, do something fun with it. So I think I'm gonna make it kind of like a inspirational jacket. That sounds kind of dweebish right now, but I have a plan. So I want it to be like when I'm wearing it and someone sees it, they're like, yay, I love this bitch, yes. So like I wanted to say something cute, like, I'm not sure yet, honestly, I really don't know. I have a couple quotes, but I don't know if they're too cheesy or not. And also, please stay tuned and watch my video because a lot of you guys click off of it. Like, come on. I try to make them short. So please, just stay. Okay. Anyway. Also, I'm barefaced again today. So sorry if that, like, triggers some people, but, like, I really don't care. I'm trying to get my face to clear up, and I really don't feel like putting makeup on. So, there's that. Anywhoosie, please stay. Please stay. Please. Thank you. And I'm sorry that my face looks like crap. Sorry.
I love this video.
Bitch, look what I just fucking did! Look what I just did! What the fuck?
Oh no, man, what the hell? Oh no, man, what am I supposed to do now? Oh no. Can you see that? I'm so mad at myself. Maybe if I just... People are gonna be like, 8? Why is there an 8 on your back? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, so now honestly I'm just kind of winging it because I have lost my stencil and I'm sure you can tell I have already messed up because that's my life. Okay, onward. Okay, so now I'm not even gonna follow the stencil. I'm literally just gonna wing it. Because I like to live my life on the edge. have no game plan. I'm just going in for it. I'm going in for the kill. Oh my god. Oh, there's no turning back now. That is really yellow. So it's been a couple days since I recorded the intro, and there's a reason. So, me going to the store to get supplies, right? I saw these beautiful, what I thought would be just the greatest idea ever. Fabric pens, fabric paint pens. I got them all in different colors. I spent like $15 on these pens. They suck. They freaking suck, okay? Well, anyway, I thought that they would be just the greatest idea ever. Super easy to use, super awesome. Who cares if I spend $15? Because it's just, everything is just gonna work out great. Wrong. But I have done a couple things to this jacket in the last couple of days. So I'm gonna show you, but I'm probably gonna go over it with the right kind of paint. That was like $3 a bottle, which is like 2 fluid ounces for like $3. Shit's expensive. So I only got 4 colors. A couple quotes that I have put on my inspiration jacket is, if anyone knows 21 Pilots, oh, you can't see it. Up there, I've got 21 Pilots, and I've got 21 Pilots over here that you can't see. I live for 21 Pilots. They are my soul. Anyway, so at the top of the jacket, right across your shoulder here, I put the few, the proud, and the emotional. This one is a quote from Suga from BTS. If you don't know BTS, then sorry for you. Anyway. Okay, so I wanted to make it look kind of like edgy and cool. So it kind of looks like a 5th grader. No, actually it looks like a 1st grader wrote it. So there's that. And there's a bunch of stencils. Mind you, there is pencil marks on here because I tried to write it like 5 times and then I just said screw it and just wrote it myself, and that's where this little mess up comes in at. Right here, I'm sure you can see that my whatever was too big, but I just couldn't stop it at that point, obviously. So it says, in the end, they'll judge me anyway, so whatever. The next little quote that I've put on it, which also I think looks like crap, but it is the sun. And this is also another 21 Pilot quote. And it says, "The sun will rise and we will try again." I don't really care for how I wrote it, but what can you do? Okay, so in this giant open space on the back, we are going to write a quote that I enjoy very much. That is sitting right here. Also, my sister's in here, so if you hear any rude comments, it's her. I'm gonna put one of my favorite quotes up there, and it is, "Be afraid and do it anyway." Oh my god. Why am I like this? That's supposed to be an F, but... Okay. So I've messed up severely. Okay. So we're just gonna make it an F somehow. And we're gonna hope for the best, okay? Oh my god! What the? Why? Why am I like this?
Did you really just do it again?
What is wrong with me?
Wait. I feel afraid.
Not like that. It's supposed to be AID.
AF.
Or AID. I'm done. I've ruined it. You can't even see because I'm overexposed. I've lost my actual fucking mind. This is just a bust. I think I have just ruined this jacket. A mess. My life, a mess. My jacket, a mess. My spelling, obviously, a mess. Last week, I promised you guys better content. Little did I know that I cannot, for the life of me, spell simple words. Usually I'm the type that's like, you know, don't give up. But I'm giving up on this one. Afraid. Don't be afraid. I am so very sorry that I suck and I cannot spell worth a crap, obviously. So that's the end of this. I have ruined a jacket. I'm, like I said, DIYing things. This is a 50-50 chance. It either comes out, or it just, and this one was a flop on my part, on my behalf. I can't spell. So with that, guys, that's the end of this video. I promise I will come up with something better and it won't be words because I can't spell. And always remember that you guys are beautiful and I love you and you should subscribe. And don't leave any negative comments. I see you. Don't do it. It's not worth your time. It's not worth my time, so don't do it. Okay? And remember, guys, don't be afraid. Just do it. Just do it anyway. Don't be afraid. Okay, bye.